How to change WhatsApp profile picture on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and now tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen. Here you will see your profile icon on top of your screen. Simply tap on it and then tap on the edit option you see there, and you can then go ahead and simply take a new photo for your profile picture, or also choose from your photos application. Or if you want, you can also create an AI image for your WhatsApp profile picture, or if not, you can import from Instagram or Facebook. So simply tap on your preferred option. I will choose from my photos. So tap on the choose photo option you see there, and then go ahead and choose a picture for your profile photo. Now, once you have selected a picture for your profile photo, go ahead and adjust the size of the photo if required, and then tap on the choose option on the bottom right of your screen. And with this, just like that, as you can see, the profile picture has been changed. So this was about how you can change WhatsApp profile picture on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.